trading. The word sounds just as intriguing as all-inclusive vacation. But today we're going to talk about something equally exciting: how to create long orders. Orders that bet on price growth. It's not only interesting but also a key to understanding an important part of financial markets. Ready? We'll dive into a little theory, some practical steps, and, don't worry, a few fun moments to keep things light. Let's start by breaking down what a long order actually is. It's not some magical formula but a straightforward idea. You buy an asset expecting its price to rise. Essentially, you're betting that tomorrow Bitcoin will be worth more than it is today. Imagine you go to a store and buy coffee for $5. You're confident that tomorrow, this same coffee will cost $6. Your goal is to buy today and profit from the price difference. A long order works the same way, except instead of coffee, it's cryptocurrency. There are a few classic scenarios. When there's news about a positive trend, for example, rising demand for a particular asset due to technological upgrades or general market hype. When the market is stable. At such times, prices usually fluctuate within predictable ranges. If your analysis shows that the price is likely to rise, you can confidently open a long order. When you have the support of professional tools like on CEX.IO, platforms with features like risk analysis and position management can make a trader's life much easier. Here's a simple algorithm you can use on any platform. Choose an asset, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency that interests you. Do your analysis, check the charts, read the latest news, define your leverage. If your platform supports margin trading, you can boost your potential profit with borrowed funds. But remember, high leverage is not only an opportunity to earn more but also a risk of losing more. Create the order. Enter the price, the amount of the asset, and hit create. That's it. Always use a stop loss. This is the tool that saves traders from catastrophic losses. Start small. Just like at the gym, it's better to lift lighter weights before moving on to serious stakes. Creating long orders is a fundamental trading skill that opens the door to a world of financial opportunities. Learn, analyze, experiment. And remember, the market is always ready for fresh ideas, even if you're just starting your journey. Join us and reach your next crypto level.